You always want the right advice and the right people in your corner when it comes to legal advice, which is why I'm joined by Brent and Christian of Stewart Law Offices. All right, Brent, here's a scenario. Hopefully I never have to say this, but what if I just got sued? How do I find a lawyer?
Well, that depends on, do you have insurance or do you not have insurance? If you get in a car wreck and you're at fault in that wreck, the first thing you need to do is notify your insurance company, all right? After notifying the insurance company, months and months and months will probably go by before you realize that you are getting sued. Then you're gonna get the pleading in the mail, and you need to get that pleading off to your insurance company. And if you have coverage, part of what you've paid for by that insurance isn't only to cover you with your injuries or to cover the other people you hurt, it covers your defense. So the insurance company will hire a lawyer for you.
And it's important, if the accident's severe, to keep tabs on your insurance company, because more often than not, an accident will go by and it's a severe injury, and our client finally is at the point 2.5 years down the road to where they need to file the lawsuit. And insurance companies aren't always forthcoming with the fact that their insureds are going to get sued because they don't want unhappy insureds.
So, and if another reason to monitor the case is the insurance companies have a duty to protect you. You've paid for insurance and you bought that insurance because you're trying to protect your assets. So at a certain point when you're getting sued, the insurance company should come to you and say, this person has incurred this many medicals and this is your coverage. What do you want us to do? They should kind of give you the opportunity to say, I want you to settle that case. I want you to settle that case because you're protecting my assets. And then if the insurance company refuses to do that, then I think you have a case against your insurance company if in fact a jury comes back and awards a big verdict that jeopardizes your assets. So the insurance company should keep you involved, but I think you still have a duty to call every 6 months or so and ask questions about what is going on, and don't let it be personal. Don't be like, I don't want to pay them, I'm not going to pay them. You've got the insurance. If you demand that the insurance company not pay and then you get hit with a big verdict, you're in a lot more trouble than if you say, hey, let's get this done.
Thank you, Brent. Thank you, Christian. The right advice and the right team in your corner. That's exactly what Stewart Law Offices does for the community.
This segment of QC Life was sponsored by Stewart Law Offices.